Hi guys, in this video we're going to combine various things we already covered, and we're going to use starter content pack to just add some gameplay to our level. We added the starter content pack last time by clicking add new, add feature, content packs, starter content, and then add to project. Since then we have this folder called starter content. I'm just going to look around and see what kind of things we can use. Props. We might use props. I think I've seen like door frames and stuff. Architecture. Yeah, like this thing. Quite like this one. Maybe we can add some kind of a hidden door mechanism to this level. Yeah, I think we could do that. Just move these things around. So it's over there, it's over there. I'm going to just seal off this area. Where's my player? Yeah, that looks good. So I'll try to seal off this little corner, and then we might be able to press a key when we get when we focus on the door, which we already covered how to do, and then we should be able to open the door. And then if I make one of these things into a door, then that becomes like a hidden door, because it's going to look like a wall, I guess. Shall we... Alright, what am I doing? I want to change the material for this thing. Material, wool material with normals. Yeah, let's go with that. Like, it looks fine on this thing, but on this thing it doesn't look as good. I wonder if it's because we need to scale this. Probably want to change the material. First person materials. Yeah, copy this into door frame material. Just want to change the tiling with texture coordinates. Change this to, I don't know, 3. And then this thing gets into that thing. It looks better. Make it 2 maybe. And then apply. Yeah, that's fine. Then I can, right, this thing I don't need. This thing looks better. Just going to drag this into here. This is going to be just normal wool. It looks kind of fine. Yeah, that'll do. I'm not too worried about being pixel perfect. If you want to get pixel perfect, then you just go into one of these and then change the snap size. Scale it down. The tiling isn't quite correct on this one, but it's fine. Scaling. And then maybe just scale this way as well. I don't want to create another wall. Yeah, that'll do. That's fine. We'll just assume that the brickwork was of okay quality, not so great, but I'll do. Probably want to make this static though, because we don't want to kind of move around like it's doing right now. Is this thing static? Yeah, it is. So I can just squeeze through the door. You probably want to make the door frame a bit bigger because it's not really great feel when you go through the door because of the capsule that's around the player. So this thing is static. This thing needs to be static as well. Yeah, that's better. And then maybe just slightly scale this up uniformly. Yep, something like that. And then we need to move this stuff away so you don't bump into this. Right, so this thing can just go. This thing, I don't even know what this thing is. Just sphere, just there. Drawer. Yep, okay. Let's try that. Can I now go through the door? Yeah, nice. So I can get into this area. So we already use this thing on the drawers and might as well use something similar on the door. So it kind of slides into the sides. And it sounds like we need a blueprint. Content, first person DP, blueprints, new blueprint, actor. Let's call it door. I suppose hidden door. And it's basically going to be a cube or cuboid, which we are going to scale. First of all, this way. And then move up. And then apply our wall material, or one of these materials. No, that's too much. What was the other one? Door. Yeah, door frame material. That's better. And then if that thing is used as a door, then it should look fine. I'll just rename it back to cube, was it? Save, compile, drag it over. We'll probably need to scale it up. Something like that. Rotate. Maybe. Yeah, that looks fine, I think. that'll do. It does look like a hidden door, right? Like you can see that it doesn't belong there. They can probably move, or you can probably break. Yeah. Oh, it's hit the movable things, okay. So it's there now. And what we want is some kind of a event press thing, like we did with the drawer. What do we do with it? Interactive drawer, edit. Where's the event graph? So we called open on it. Right, so the actual handler is in player, I suppose. First person character. That's not it. Interact, there we go. So basically do a line trace, see what we hit, convert it to a very specific type. If it succeeds, then call open on that type. Yep, how about we do exactly the same thing, but we do something else if cast fails. Right, I don't care about that. So all of that is pretty much still valid, right? So we input interact, I guess it's E. And then if the cast fails, then we convert it to, we cast it to door, hidden door. Yep. Try that. And the object is the hit actor. If that succeeds, we call something on the hidden door. I guess open again. Event graph. Don't need any of these. Custom event, or what was it called? Yeah. Call it open, which gets called when we press something on it. As hidden door open. There we go. That was easy. Compile, save, and let's just test it. Debug string. Is it print string? Yeah. It just prints hello, and that will do. Let's play. So if I press E on this thing, nothing works. If I do E on here, it says hello. Yeah, that's fine. That's what I need. And the movement, we're going to, I wonder if we can use pretty much this thing. Set relative location. Because what we want to do is look at the door and kind of make it go left or right. And then that will open the door for us. How about we just copy and paste, well, these things. Control C into hidden door. No longer need this print string because we know it works. Open calls it to, we probably want to store some kind of a flag in here, right? To know if it's open or closed. So if it's open, is open, and it's a Boolean, which is by default compile save false. So a branch here will do. If is open, if it's open, do nothing. If it's false, then is open set to true, and then that calls play just play. We're not going to make it reopenable or closable. It's going to play only once, and we're fine with that, at least for now. Set relative location. We'll probably need to change the x-axis because I think it's pointing to x. The target that we are doing is the, what does it say? The brand is not a scene component. I'll just drag the cube and then we'll animate the cube. How about that? Local, probably want to rename this. Local X, save, compile. That gets into here, and we don't need that. Z location is 0, I think, because we shouldn't change anything in terms of Y and Z, but we'll see. Right, compile, save, and then let's see how this works. So if I hit E on it, right, so it's moved this way. And the good news is now E does nothing on it. Why is it moving it this way? This is Y. We're changing X. Oh, is it because of the viewport? Hidden door viewport. So in here, this way is actually Y. So locally, it's Y that we need to change. So that was correct initially. E. Yeah, and we need to make sure that we don't do anything with Z. And then we probably want to move it a bit further. So where's our timeline? We're moving from value 50. Let's set it to 65. And compile, save. I can figure out the Z location from here, I guess. Location Z is 40. So interactive drawer, no, that's not what we want. Hidden door. $40, and then location X doesn't change. Let's try that. Okay, that's pretty much perfect. Yeah, ignore the drawer that we did earlier, but that is pretty good. Let's try that again. So we press in the E on this thing, it doesn't work, and then if we press E here, it opens and it slides right into, like, you can't even see the thing. Well, actually you can see a little bit of it. Let's move it just a bit further. Let's move it to 70. Where's the thing? Yep. Value 70. And that should do it. That's perfect. The only thing you can see is the door frame, because the depth of the hidden door is, the value is smaller than the depth of the door frame. Okay, so in this video we mostly used all the concepts that we've covered previously, using the transforms on objects, using tiling of textures and events, blueprints, ray casting. And we ended up with a hidden door that we can access when we do something with it. As in, we press key, again, input. Okay, so in the next video, we'll probably start doing a bit more with starter content. There's a lot of interesting things that I like to cover, like all these folders are full of goodies that we can use. Until then, thanks for watching.